I'm Julie from Body Mind Coaching, and I'm passionate about helping people overcome past and present pain more quickly and easily than they think is possible. This means that they can write a better future for themselves. Many people put their own issues on the back burner, often because of pressures of modern day life, but more often because they don't know that anything can be done to help them. However, ignoring mental and physical pain doesn't work. It means life shrinks to fit what you can cope with rather than what you really want to do. This can lead to stress, irritability, exhaustion, and poor performance. It also damages relationships. But it doesn't have to be that way, and this is where I can help. I educate and inspire people to recognise that looking after themselves is not selfish and that their lives don't have to stay small. I use a combination of proven techniques to free people from pain, anxiety and other problems so that they can live their life to the full. Whatever that may mean, going for the dream job, being able to fly, climbing mountains, being able to play with the children or the grandchildren. With simple changes to language or, for example, what they do with their time when they're standing in a queue, they can lead a happier, healthier life and enjoy it. I am so confident about the effects of this treatment that if after a free initial consultation we feel that we can work together, then I offer a money-back guarantee on my programs so that money never needs to get in the way of a happier, healthier life and reaching your full potential.